This is the main screen. YouTube is usually a built-in app with most of the mobiles. You will see you don't have to download YouTube app. You will see the red and white YouTube logo here. I press it and I enter directly YouTube from this. If I'm a subscriber, this bottom options are available for me, in which the central option is subscription, that I press, and immediately the channels for which I am subscribed for, the list is open. The green and golden Mayurpankh logo, if I press here, it will take me directly to Mayurpankh page, wherein the latest upload is visible in front. If I scroll down, the previous one, and the whole list of 217 episodes is open for me, because I am a subscriber right from the first page of YouTube. Now I go back. If I am not a subscriber, I can access the Mayurpankh page formally by search option Mayurpankh channel. I tell YouTube to search Mayurpankh channel for me. Here the whole Mayurpankh page opens up, formal channel logo
and Mayurpankh channel
subscriber,
mentioned
Mayurpankh channel,
in English
also
and
YouTube
Hindi.
itself picks up some latest episodes over here for me if I want to directly enter the episodes, and also a range of episodes below there. All are Mayurpankh episodes, a lot of variety, handpicked by YouTube of its own for you, right from the first episode on channel that is displayed here down here. A lot of episodes are opened up by YouTube for me. At the same time, there is this wonderful option of entering Mayurpankh channel through the formal page. Here I press Mayurpankh channel, and now the formal page of Mayurpankh channel opens in front of me with all the scroll bar options. Now, coming back to the front page of channel, it displays the green and golden dollar logo of channel. At Mayurpankh channel, 479 subscribers, 402 videos released till date, episodes released. Below that, it's written by for of women. Now, if we go for the explanation of this, it shows description or about of the channel that explains by for of women, women's very own exclusive reserved space on YouTube. It's a priority space for ladies and their family. Subscriptions are mostly through reference. महिलांनी महिलांसाठी चालवलेला महिलांचा चॅनल, यूट्यूबवर महिलांची स्वतःची खास राखीव जागा. Below that, as you scroll down, more explanation and all the social media references of the channel are mentioned over here. As we go down, Facebook link, email, subscribe to encourage, more info about. Total views of the channel are 1,36,708. All this information you can trace up anytime. As we go back, we reach out to the front page of the channel. This has India Space Scientist Swarnim Shirkes National Science Day public talk at Ayuka on the subject Cosmic Zoo. This particular popular episode is the display episode on the channel. Now we reach out to the video column on the bar, and as we press it, so this is the list of popular videos. As we scroll down, the list begins with the topmost popular video and continues down. As we can see here, the most popular video has 16K views. Below that is Akash's video with 12K views, etc. etc. Now, if we go to the oldest section, it will begin with the oldest video, and as we scroll down, it will continue accordingly up to the latest one. So now we go to the next column, that is shorts column. As we press shorts, again the same kind of options are there, latest, popular and oldest, and all the shorts on channel you can together choose from over here. Okay, now next column is the playlist column. Here you can choose whichever playlist you like among the 13 very popular playlists on channel. They all are. Now, as we go to this playlist column, there are around 13 popular playlists on Mayurpankh channel, each having multiple episodes clubbed together with similar interest. Now there are options over here, sort by date added and last video added. We'll go for the last video added, and this shows us the list of various clubs on channel. They begin with Welcome Club, Star Club, Ayuka Club, Nature and Animal Club. Then comes the Society Events and Rangoli. Then comes Special Day Club, IIT Club, Variety Club. It goes to Bhakti Club, Comedy and Funny Video Club, Geet Club, Corona Club, and Shirkoli Club. Now, as we begin, Welcome Club is one of the most popular clubs on channel. This has 3-4 episodes that are supposed to represent the channel. Then comes the Star Club. It has around 20 very popular episodes on channel, each episode having minimum 1000 hits. There are 20 right now. That shows how much the channel is being liked by the subscribers. And the total hits on this particular Star Club are almost reaching out to 800 listed here. Then there is this community column wherein the posts are published here for the viewers one by one. You can see these posts so that the subscribers are kept updated. So these are the various columns, and as we go to the home page, we get the first view of the channel, which shows 479 subscribers and 402 videos have been published or released. 402 episodes are released till date. This is going to be the 403rd episode that is released by the channel. Thank you. Dhanyavad. Thank you so much for being a part of this wonderful Mayurpankh journey on YouTube. Sure, join in along with friends and family.